Hi everyone, Cheryl here. So I wanted to share with you what I created for the Cutting Cafe. So for this week's challenge, we could use any file as long as it was Christmas related. So basically Christmas in July. So let me share with you some of the things I used before I show you my project. So I used some dies as well as a punch. So I used this Tim Holtz die for the poinsettia, and I also used the coordinating embossing folder. Oh, sorry about that. I used the coordinating embossing folder. I also used these dies here, which are from Diamond Dies. And then I also used this punch here, which is a Stampin' Up! Punch. Okay, so let me move this out the way really quickly. I also used this paper from Michaels, and it was one of their hot buys last year. I thought it was really cute. I wanted to use non-traditional colors. So, give me 1 second to move this out the way. The file that I used to create my project is from the Christmas December daily set. So here is my project. It is so cute. So this is one of the sentiments from the December daily set, or should I say the Christmas daily. There's like, I think 6 pages of nothing but different sayings that you can use to create or to use for your December daily, as well as the numbers. I think there's 3 pages of numbers in addition to the different sayings and stuff. So it's a really good file, really good set. I'll have the link in the description box below. I created a basket and I used a tutorial from Scrapbooking with Me. However, I did tweak the measurements, but I will leave that video as well in the description box. So I did not completely adhere this down because I wanted to be able to take it out and show you guys. So here's the bow, here's a flower. This is from I Am Roses. And then again, here's the tag, Do You Believe in Santa Claus? Super, super cute. And let me just untie this so that way I can take it out so you guys can see. I was thinking in terms of craft fairs. This is a really nice size basket, so I'm thinking I'm going to make a few of these, probably about 10 or so, and then just put them out there and kind of see how they do, and if they do well, then I'll make more. If not, then I will only have created 10. So here is the basket in all its glory, and I just used some things that I had left over from the last craft fair I did, just so you guys can kind of get an idea of some of the things that you can actually fit on the inside. And then I just have some shredded paper down in the bottom. But here's that poinsettia, super, super pretty. And I put one on both sides. Okay, so please be sure to check out the Cutting Cafe. Everyone that's on the design team that participated this week, we all did Christmas in July. There's some really, really cute projects out there. Be sure to check them out. If you want to get a jump on your Christmas projects, all you have to do on Regina's site is scroll to the left, look for Christmas. There's one link that just has Christmas, and everything that's Christmas related is under that link. And there is something for everything that you want to do. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out the blog, leave a comment on Regina's blog, and you can be entered to win any 3 free files. All right, guys, I will talk to you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.